Okay, so here we have a REID 618 3-axis surface grinder. This machine has incremental down feed, plunge feed, and surface. Should you set it on that, it has automatic stop when it gets to 0 and automatic parking of the table. These things all can be turned on or turned off. A machine can be used completely manual. You've got your hand wheels for moving the table and the cross feed and the down feed. The automatic down feed has a couple of extra items on here. This would be where you would adjust the increment that you feed each time your table reverses in plunge or your saddle reverses in surface grinding. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the hydraulics. And we have our table going. Now there's a control knob underneath here for adjusting the speed of the table. And you also have a control lever here to set the machine either in hand operation or power operation, and various controls for continuous cross feed of the slide or incremental, and then this would be for adjusting the amount of incremental. Your cross feed dial here has a fine feed scale on it, as well as your down feed dial. We have the Walker OS, Walker electronic chuck controller, and fine pole division chuck. Also the Accurite DRO. So I have the machine set currently in plunge. I'm going to start the grinding spindle. That's the wheel here. And if I want to have down feed, I simply pull this out and we'll feed at each table reversal. When it gets to 0, it stops and the light goes out. If I had the thing set on automatic table park, table would also park. So what you need to do at this point is to come off your 0 again and reset this and start your feed again. Okay, so if we wanted to try surface grinding, we go to the surface mode. Now each time the table reverses, the cross feed steps. Each time it makes a step, we turn. This is your adjustment for the amount of cross feed travel. And when this reverses, we'll feed again. There you go. It'll continue back and forth like that until you get to the 0 that you set. Now if you want to zoom in here a little bit, I'll go over some of these controls. This is your selector switch here for whether you're grinding in surface or plunge. This is your cross slide in or out. You have a low level light for your lubrication, pull on switch for your coolant, the stop switch for the hydraulics, stop switch for the spindle, the on switch for the spindle, and the on switch for the hydraulic. This is your down feed, pull to start, push to stop. And down here is your auto stop. That means that when you get to 0, the table will park. You can either have that off or you can turn it on, and then at the end of the cycle, the table will park. Also, your auto down feed stop. With this, when the down feed reaches the 0 switch mounted in the hand wheel, the down feed will stop. So there you have it. This is the REID 3-axis surface grinder. Thank you very much.